Am I in heaven? What is up, Obregon? Welcome back to a new episode. We are in Lamborghini, Miami. That means we are shooting the Starboy video. That is why I'm like this. So right here we have the Aventador SV Roadster. Very special one because this has the Capristo exhaust with the Novitec kit, but the best part is this. The SV logo in carbon fiber. Check that out. So now I have asked for the keys to this SV, which is not a roadster, it is a coupe. So let's check it out. Okay, so the black SV was actually for a customer, so can't have access to it. Neither can we have access to these cars because they're in the parking lot and they do not allow to open them. So that'll be kind of the end of today's vlog, I guess, because there wasn't much to do. I filmed part of the music video and I want to thank Lamborghini Miami for today. They were such amazing people. And yeah, okay, that's actually not the end of this vlog, so let's continue. So you guys know where you see all those funny pictures on the internet? Yeah, that's the place. Let's go. So Walmart is essentially the place you can get anything you can imagine, like anything. This place is huge. But that's Walmart, right? That's what it's known for. Like, I'm actually serious. Like, look at this. You want your proteins? You get this. You want your hair accessories? Go ahead. You want your tools for frying? Go ahead. You want something for your garden? Go ahead. You want sticks that light on fire? Go ahead. You want bicycle pumps? Got that too. You want helmets of any colors? Or even spiky helmets? Got that. I mean, you want your stuff for camping? We got that on either side, so got that. You interested in fishing as well? Got that. Got the hooks for fishing. Yeah, I mean, want a tire for your car? Have that too. Now you want something for your car? Wiper blades for the windshield, or even electricals? Got everything. I mean, floor mats for your car if it didn't come with any. The word Walmart sums it all up because you can get anything here. You say Walmart, people know what you're talking about. Okay, so as you can see, it is nighttime. Remember what I said about Walmart being really huge? Yeah, we took 4 hours to go around. And yeah, we're heading back to the hotel, so let's go. Stopping at Domino's because we just need to eat. It's 10 p.m. and it's raining. So we have a slight change in today's plan. Happy 4th of July!